Are you struggling to make an impact with your content marketing efforts? You're not alone, but fear not. Today, we're going to dive into the 4 core principles of content marketing that will transform the way you approach your strategy. So let's get started. The first principle is all about focusing on leads over followers. While having a large following may seem impressive, the quality of your leads truly matters. By targeting and nurturing leads genuinely interested in your content, you'll see a higher conversion rate and ultimately more success with your marketing efforts. The second is quality over quantity. It's important to prioritize quality over quantity when it comes to your content. Instead of churning out endless pieces of content, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. The third principle emphasizes the importance of creating content specifically tailored to your target audience. By understanding their needs, pain points, and preferences, you can create content that speaks directly to them and drives meaningful engagement. Last but not least, data should be your guiding light in the world of content marketing. Pay attention to analytics, track key metrics, and use data-driven insights to continuously refine and optimize your content strategy for maximum impact. So there you have it, the 4 core principles of content marketing that can help you take your strategy to the next level. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these principles resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content marketing tips and strategies. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.